One of the biggest challenges in kitchen storage is how do you neatly store and organize large flat items such as cutting boards, cooling racks, cookie sheets, items such as that. Well, we're going to be thinking a little outside the box, and we're going to use a desk organizer. This is a vertical file that typically holds books and notebooks and paper files, but we're going to use it for storing these items. You just set them in place. You can see there's plenty of room. You fit 2 or 3 in each compartment. In this case, we have 4 compartments, but you can really load that up. And the really nice thing is that it stores, the rack itself will store not only in the cabinet, but also on the top shelf. So it's completely out of the way. And then you can just load in your items. They load from the side, and then you can slide them in and take them out very easily. Now I want to show you another one, another organizer you could buy, which is a tiered organizer. As you can see, it's higher in the back. The nice thing about this is you can see what's in the back. So if you have a tall cutting board, then cookie sheets in the front, you can stack them up and you can see in the back. With these 2 storage ideas, you can organize your cabinets in no time at all.